Hi, I'm Pete, and I'm proud to introduce to you SpringBreak365.com's Indigo campaign. Spring Break Eyewear was established in 2006, and since then, Spring Break Eyewear has worked with several partners to successfully patent and develop the world's first recordable eyewear product with built-in Wi-Fi. Finally, you can easily transfer HD quality videos wirelessly to your smartphone and share on social media. So visit SpringBreak365.com for more information. You only live once, so hashtag record everything.
I don't wanna lie, I'm gonna take what you're giving.